Hello everyone, this is Vimal here from Bio H2AAA and today we will be talking about the Josh Premium H2AAA Plus Mineralizing Water Jug. First, let us look at what includes in the box. The first thing is a complete user manual which you should go through before using the jug. The jug itself, it comes with a diffuser already attached, reduction cleaner for which I will talk about it later, 10 ml free ORP testing liquid, 10 ml free pH testing liquid. Now let us look at how to use this jug. Before using this jug, it is necessary to clean the diffuser. To remove the diffuser, simply take out the upper lid of the jug and simply pull out the diffuser like that. Take a small bowl of water and make sure that the diffuser submerges completely. Make sure you fill it with purified or drinkable water. Once submerged, shake the cartridge inside the water, which will make sure all the loose particles, which is usually the carbon, comes out of the filter. Repeat this process for 2 to 3 times and the diffuser is ready to use. The jug has life of 3000 liters. Depending on your daily usage, you can count how many days your diffuser will work. Any which ways, you should regularly keep a check of pH and ORP so that you know your jug is working perfectly and you are drinking the right water. When there is no result found and your jug is under 3000 liters, you can use the reduction cleaner to recharge the diffuser. For recharging the diffuser, simply take a small bowl of purified or drinkable water, submerge the diffuser completely, add 10 grams or 1 tablespoon of reduction cleaner, which is citric acid, shake it properly, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and clean the diffuser again with purified or drinkable water. The diffuser is now ready to be used again. When the diffuser stops giving results, even after recharging it, it is time to change or replace the diffuser. You can simply order a new diffuser through us. I have shared with you all the important information about the jug, but then also I would recommend you to go through the whole user manual again before using the jug. For any doubts or queries, please feel free to contact us on the given details. Thank you so much for watching. This is Vimal here from Bio H2AAA. Stay healthy.